Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I have got the latest box from Papercraft Society. Again, I'm a bit behind. Christmas came and went. I hurt my back for 2 weeks. And then on Christmas Day, I tripped on my sister's porch. It was my own fault with my clawed ways and just hurt myself everywhere. I hit my head, my arm, my good leg, and all these other things. So pretty sore still, and so as I acclimate back to getting home from vacation, hopefully I'll get everything up to speed here eventually. We went to San Antonio, Texas, which was really nice. The people were really nice there. So if you're from San Antonio, hello. I really enjoyed Texas. So, all right. So this is Papercraft Society box number, what are we on here? Let's see. I'll give you that number in a second. It is Helen Griffin, and this one's not necessarily card focused. This is her journal. Now, I like journals. I know a lot of people were kind of upset because it wasn't a card-based kit, but you know, you can use a lot of this stuff, if not all of it, for cards, and we'll talk about that as we go through it. But number 39, yeah, number 39. So you can see this nice little print here, and we'll go through that. I'll just show you right off the bat here this stuff. All right, tissue paper. I always reuse that. All right, so it's journal focused, and now here are the two sizes, or here's the size, I should say. This is I believe this is a traveler's notebook size. Yeah, because a little bit bigger, 4 3/4 by 8.5. So it's got a good size spine, 1.5 inch spine. Already comes strung for you with that elastic. Already has that hole. Of course, you could do it this way if you wanted, which is, you know, you could have that back there. That's the style, and it has 4 spots for signatures. So that's a 2 in the middle, and nice thick elastic, and then that one on the back. And then you put your books in, which it looks like it comes with 3. One's a blank, just like regular weight, lined, like an pink or orange, I can't quite see, lined, and a grid. So you can customize those. You can make another one and add that in there, like that, like that. Then you can, of course, decorate this. It's a nice cardstock, so you can actually use your sprays, your paints, and all the different things there. Now, if you didn't want to do that, if you have no use for that at all, of course, you could certainly cut up the cover and make card panels and things with that. Or if you know somebody that does journal, make a great gift to them, the unused parts. And then you can use the rest of that. Now, it does come with some wood pieces here that you can paint. Journal, notes, memories, planner. You can use those. Little bulldog clip, and looks like a pen there is the, okay. So nice little pen there. Of course, you get the book full of ideas, which is always great. I'm sorry, my phone, I don't know why I always make it crooked. Flip through that really quickly, but you know, stamping, there's some of her products that are available at Craft Stash, which I believe to the US is free shipping over $80. If you're in the US here, it takes a couple weeks, but they have some great products that I've really enjoyed working with. So lots of journal stuff and 3D boxes. She's kind of known for making that. But you can see here people have made cards and things with the stuff from the inside, or from the, you know, what we're going to look at here. All right, so got my daughter's going on the piano there. So let's just pull this all out. Days of the week, days of the month, numbers. So these are stickers, I think. Let me see. Maybe not. Maybe they are. I think it's on sticker paper, and then you cut it into a rectangle like so. And then we've got some sort of sticker washi idea tape there. So for papers, we have this like cream color background with pinks and blues and tans. Got a couple sheets of that. It is single-sided. that matches the envelope. So it's got that nice blue. Looks like some wood grain. 2 of those. And then this sort of herringbone tiled thing there. And that is that. And then of course, like I said, the stickers and that. So again, if you don't journal, if you don't plan, not plan, but you know what I mean, you don't keep a planner, a physical one, gift it to a friend, send some happy mail, butterflies. We've got some butterflies. You could emboss this with clear embossing and use your inks and things as a resist. We've got our flowers, arrows and swirly doos here, and also, you know, leaves and foliage, nature elements there. So obviously you can use that for lots of things, and Valentine's Day coming up if you do cards for those. And then here's the more journaly, plannery stuff, but you could use this on a card front here, today's adventure, and certainly these tags are very usable. Tag stamp. Now, there aren't dies that come in this particular one, which is a little bit of a bummer because I do love my dies, but we get the nice planner thing. But you're probably thinking, if I'm just a card maker, where are my dies? So I get it, but talk to Craft Stash about that. But anyways, there are stamps here. You could easily cut this out and then just punch a hole in it. So a nice tag, shipping tag type of deal there, and some that you could even use on cards. Best day ever. You can just leave off the little, you know, cut that off, the little tick box. And these could be funny. Nope, never again. You know, never again am I turning 50. Whatever, you know, get creative with it. Little borders there that you could use, a little camera, a little date stamp there, days of the week, all the good things. Today we made memories. So very usable. I think they're trying to hit both the card makers and the planners. You know, just so you can kind of see, makes a pretty tag on top of there, and so forth. So anyway, that is the box. So I'm gonna give that a think and try to get caught up. I have so many boxes I'm behind on, and now we're on the other side of Christmas. So yeah, I'm gonna do the best I can, guys. Pray for my body to heal. I don't know, it's just one thing after another. And then today's my daughter's sick, so I'll probably get that too. But c'est la vie, right? All right, guys, I hope you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. That sure would help. Check out those links down below if you would. That leads to my Etsy shop, my blog, and my books. I thank you so much for joining me. Have a great, great day.